What's up? Welcome back. So we have Trick Performance Instant Center upper G-body brackets with their upper control arms.
Hi YouTube. Again.
The upper G-body bolt didn't fit through their bracket, so I had to elongate it a little bit. I did buy their bolt kit, but I thought it was going to be for everything, and it wasn't. There's no instructions in the box, just stickers and cards, and a phone number if you need help. So I'm your help. Instant center correction brackets. Here we go. Upper G-body control arm bolt reuse. Elongate the bracket in here because they do not fit. Weld this side in. Set up your upper control arm. Make sure that you can get it in here before you weld the back side of this in. I would also recommend a collar for the back section for additional support. You can add that later. Be careful that you don't blow yourself up with your fuel cell vent. Smells like gas. So this side I'm going to finish, and then I'm going to move on to this side, and then I'm going to try and get the rear mocked up, and then maybe I might start cutting out some of this chassis work for the roll cage tubing. And I don't know if I'm going to get to the rear coilover today. Thanks for watching.